Check out this GMC 2021 Canyon Denali. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment group 4SD, 3.42 rear axle ratio, wheels, 20x 8.5 diamond cut machined aluminum, perforated leather appointed seat trim, driver alert package, radio, AM/FM with 8 diagonal multi-touch display nav, heated steering wheel, black spray-on bed liner with GMC logo and ultrasonic rear parking assist. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.